Hello, today we will guide you through how to find check register in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the check register lives and how to open it so you can review checks, deposits, and balances with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your web browser and signing into the company you want to work on. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Find the accounting section. Depending on your view, it may appear as accounting or as transactions, but the goal is the same. Hover your mouse over that section to expand the options, then go into Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the master list of every account in your books, including bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expenses. This is where the check register is accessed for your checking account. When the Chart of Accounts page loads, scan the list for your checking account. It might be labeled checking, business checking, or something similar. If your list is long, use the search field or filter to narrow it down by name or by the bank account type. This makes it quicker to land on the correct account, especially if you manage multiple bank or cash accounts. Once you've located the checking account row, look to the right side of that row for the action column. There you'll see a link that says View Register. Click that, and the check register opens immediately for that specific account. Inside the register, you'll see a running list of transactions with columns for date, reference number, payee, memo, payment, deposit, and the current balance. This is the best place to confirm whether a check was recorded, verify amounts, and spot any duplicates or missing entries. At the top of the register, you can adjust date ranges or use simple filters to focus on checks, deposits, or other transaction types. If you're reconciling, the status column will help you see which items have cleared. A few quick tips to keep your review efficient. Sort by date to move through activity chronologically, scan the running balance for unexpected jumps, and use the memo field to add short notes that make future reviews faster. If you don't see the View Register link, double-check that you are on a bank type account and confirm you have permission to view registers in your company file. That's it. From opening QuickBooks Online, navigating to accounting, selecting Chart of Accounts, finding your checking account, and choosing View Register, you now know the direct path to the check register in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause or replay any section as you follow along in your own file.